What is going on, you guys? I hope y'all are having another good day. Today I'm bringing y'all a new and a guest appearance, all right? You guys never seen this dude on the channel. But I got my man Tyler here. One, he's a loyal viewer and fan on the channel, which I truly appreciate. Two, he's local in town where I live at. And three, he's a Marine. So we're already starting off on a good start there. And four, by the way, he has a truck that looks just like mine. He actually hit me up, and he knew I was doing detailing and whatnot on the side. Asked me to take a look at his wheels. I hooked him up on his wheels. So if you're wondering, are those forged wheels? No, they're not forged, they're chrome, but we just got them to look really good. But I had to ask him. I was like, yo man, can I get this truck on film? And he was all about it. This is probably the last bit you're gonna hear me talk unless I'm asking a question, because after this I'm gonna let I'm gonna let Tyler just do his thing. He's gonna give us a tour of his awesome ass 3rd-gen Megacab, and enjoy. Floor is yours, man.
Cool. So like you were saying, my name's Tyler. I'm active duty Marine. This is my 06 Megacab 3500. On the outside it looks kind of basic, but I'll give you the rundown starting on the outside.
Hell yeah.
So we got some 20x12 gear alloys. We just got them cleaned up. Got them yesterday. Got some Toyo proxies. We got up here, we got 4th-gen tow mirrors with the lights.
Are they hooked up and everything?
Yes, the lights are hooked up.
Fuck yeah. Nice.
Just running lights, no turn signals just yet.
Awesome.
Suspension, stock in the front, reverse leveled in the back. We're sitting about an inch and a half higher in the back, so we're getting ready to do drop shackles in the back.
Ooh. Heck yeah.
Under the truck, we got a 5-inch turbo back exhaust. It's MBRP exhaust. We got a muffler under there as well. These are the old stock wheels we just took off. Coming around the back, nothing special, but we got a reverse camera.
It counts.
What was that?
I was like, it counts.
LED taillights, LED headlights. That's pretty much it for the outside. Go on the inside. Pretty basic.
Nice.
We got the wood grain upgrade for an SLT. We have a double din that can play DVDs on the double din and play on the DVD player up on the roof.
Oh snap.
Other than that, just LED lights on the interior. We got EFI Live by Ryan.
Nice.
Built trans. Pop the hood.
Yeah, man. Definitely. What was the tint again? 5%?
Yeah,
you
5%
said?
All the way around. I think it's a 7-inch brow.
7-inch brow. Is the windshield tinted?
The windshield is tinted. It's a 40%, I think.
Nice.
Pretty dark. Cold air intake. Everything pretty much other than that is stock. Got 100 over injectors. AC's been redone. That's pretty much it for under here. Nothing too special yet.
So the build is just getting started, huh?
Just getting started. 2nd-gen swap coming. Bigger intake horn coming. Forgot to mention, also have a fast 150, a bean sump hooked up under there.
Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
This is awesome, man. I mean, these wheels, you guys should have seen it. You should I'm gonna put a picture up of how these rims looked before, and two, you can see how they look now. I brought these wheels back to life, man. I mean, I ain't trying to toot my horn or nothing, dude, but these wheels, when they first came to me, I was like, okay, these are just a typical like Craigslist, like somebody, you know, whatever wheels. But man, these wheels, we just put them on the truck, and I'm telling you, it completely changed this truck automatically. I mean, I like it so far, and he's still got a lot more stuff he's looking at doing, definitely. So hell yeah, man. Oh yeah, you see the little fastback there. Nice, excellent, man, awesome. 2006.
2006.
This is it, man. You got one of them golden year 5.9s, man. This is the first time I actually seen a 5.9 in person. I've never. I mean, you know my truck. I got a 6.7 and stuff. I'm used to looking at the 6.7. I mean, obviously they look pretty much damn near the same, minus the valve cover. And a couple other things, intake horn, but this is nice. Oh, you got the smoke cab lights?
Yeah, smoke recon cab
nice
lights.
Oh, recon, hell yeah. No leaking.
Nope.
Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Yeah, man, like I said, you guys, we had to get this truck on film. I mean, it's a beautiful truck. Obviously you guys watch this channel because you're truck enthusiasts, and one thing I love to see is the beginning of truck builds, because I remember when I started on my truck, seeing the potential. And that's what gets awesome about being a truck owner and just an enthusiast when it comes to cars, is that you have the vision. And when you bring your vision to life and it's in person, it's so rewarding, man. There's nothing that can replace that feeling, especially when you're doing it all yourself, man, in the front of your driveway, wrenching away, and you have a nice pride for it, definitely, man. So this is beautiful, man. Can we get a crank up?
Yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's hear that. Let's hear that 5.9. And you got the side exit. Now I know what it looks like to have a side exit. Here we go. Oh yeah. It's nice. Hell yeah, man. That thing sounds good. That's a 5.9 right there. Yeah. You even got the same little squeak when you shut it off like me.
Ain't nothing too special, but got a lot coming.
Oh man, it's gonna look good, man. He was talking about he wants to do the late model 3rd gen sport bumper. Some people call it sports bumper, the one like mine. Some people call it sports bumper. Some people call it a third or a Laramie edition bumper. But yeah, definitely, man. This is gonna be an awesome rig. I cannot wait to see this.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What are you going to do? You got any for turbos and whatnot? I know you said 2nd gen. Are you thinking about doing?
Honestly, right now I'm relatively new to engine modifications. I've been more exterior kind of thing. So I still got to read up on a lot of that.
Okay.
I really haven't decided what turbos I'm going to go with.
Nice.
But I do know, bigger intake horn, ARP studs, 2nd gen swap, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to remove the muffler probably sometime this week and completely straight pipe it.
Nice.
So it's a little bit louder.
Oh yeah. Definitely, man. And if you guys are wondering what type of wheels those are, I don't know if you mentioned it earlier, they're gear alloy wheels. You can get a set of these wheels, 20x12s, I believe, for like $800 brand new.
They're relatively cheap.
Yeah, they're definitely affordable. So, for you guys out there that think you got to spend, $2,000 to get a nice pair of wheels, $800 for the rims, and probably if you're going to do Toyo proxies, probably
like
$400
or $500.
Yeah, for a set, right? Yeah, so you're looking at $1,200, $1,300, and you have wheels that can completely change the look of your truck. So don't think you got to spend a lot of money. And you also can go online, Craigslist, Marketplace, offer up. People are always trading, willing to sell.
Marketplace.
Yeah, he did a trade. He had some, because what'd you have before? 24 by.
I had 24x12 Vision rockers.
Yeah.
But it was just causing such a big wheel was causing a death wobble for me. So I was like, well, I'm gonna downsize. And plus, being 24x12, it was just the wheel was so big that the tire had to be even a little bit bigger, and I wasn't really trying to lift it right now. I wanted it as low as possible, so I kind of wanted to downsize so I can go as small as possible.
Well, I think it worked out good. And you got the reverse level, and you know what's crazy is when I first lifted my truck before I ordered my lift kit, I was like, well, I want to level it, man, or reverse level it, and you just get it looking low. And seeing it low like this is really nice. I mean, getting in my truck, you guys, I'm 6'3". It can be annoying every now and then. I love it. I drive it, and I love it. But this is really nice, and I don't know. It's cool seeing the truck just like mine, except the opposite setup. Low, got the 20x12s, man. Street tires and nice. It looks awesome. It's nice, man. Definitely. But yeah, man. I appreciate it, dude. I appreciate coming out to the channel.
Yeah, for sure.
Coming out here. I appreciate you taking up my services and stuff. I know I got a couple of Marines and just people out in local Jacksonville, North Carolina that have trucks and stuff. You guys, if you didn't know, I do auto detailing. I do these wheels, perfect example. I do auto detailing, ceramic coatings, paint sealants, polishes, 2-step correction, 3-step correction. I do it all. So if you're local here and you want to get your vehicle looking good for the summer, protect it, hit me up, man. DM me on Instagram, everything_diesel. But until next time, you guys, give this video a thumbs up because Tyler has an awesome truck. And if you guys want to see more content on his truck, comment down below. And also comment what you think about this truck, all right? So until next time, thanks for coming out.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Mega_slab59.
We're going to put it in the description below, and I'm also going to have it to where it pops up on the screen here sometime. So make sure you follow him. Go ahead, follow him, and tap those pictures and help the man out, all right? Until next time, you guys take it easy. Be safe.